Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Boy, the gnats are bad. Out here at the Avon Park here at Ramon's Club, we're going to take up the FREEWING 64mm Banshee. Have no kind of gyro in it, just an AR630, or AR620, sorry. And she does have thrust reverse. I'm going to fly in my mid-range, which are 85% throws, 30% expo. She's got flaps and she's got suspension gear. That's the suspension gear I paid for the upgrade, which is about $22, I believe. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Now do takeoff flaps. My flap settings are flaps up are -100. Flaps at takeoff are 0% with a 10% down elevator mix, and then landing is a positive 50% with a 25% down elevator mix.
Landing flaps.
All right. Okay.
Takeoff flaps.
I have 0 wind today. All right, gonna take off from this direction here. Probably land in this direction also, or land from that way, because there's no wind.
Flaps up.
I'll take her up, flip her.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I need a little bit of right aileron. Coming right at me. All right.
Landing flaps. Braking.
There we go.
Flat. Brakes off.
Well, my spectrum went off my screen, went back to the home screen for a second, so I restarted the timer, so I'll have to be more mindful of that now. All right.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 3 minutes.
I think there's just a little too much elevator mix in them landing flaps.
Flaps up.
Yeah, just a tad too much. I'm gonna have to adjust that. But this was the settings on the NX10. Should be the same, but too high, way too high.
Landing flaps.
But like I said, I've got no wind today at all. All right.
Flaps up.
It's a good flying little plane right there. All right, we're gonna do one more takeoff and landing. I'm gonna take off from down there.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
All right, this time we're gonna land from the other direction, because it's important to practice landing from different directions. And since today there's really no wind, doesn't really matter, good day to practice that. Whoa.
Takeoff flaps up.
All right, we can't leave it that way. Y'all know I can't leave it that way. But for whatever reason, I have the hardest time landing from this direction. I'm gonna land with no flaps this time. Oh no, we're not. We're too. I could have committed to that, but all right. Look how far that gear disappears into that grass.
Brakes off.
Blow it out.
Hold secured.
All right. Exactly, I'm going to guesstimate 3 minutes. Do y'all know of a screen lock to where while I'm in the IX14, the Spectrum Airwear screen, where because my belly hits it, my shirt hits it, and I look down, I'm on a totally different screen. If y'all know of a way of locking that where it won't come off of that screen, I'll try to maximize the view. Maybe that'll do it. Just let me know, okay? Because I keep having a problem with that. And then it actually went back to the, I hit it, my belly hit it, and I was on the home screen with my background and everything, and I had to go back to the Airwear. Of course, it doesn't turn off the signal, so you can still fly. And when the program started back up, it started the timer back over. So if y'all know of a way of locking that in, a screen lock or something, please let me know. All right, see what kind of juice we've got left in the tank. 41%, perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, this plane is light enough to where it would really benefit from a gyroed receiver. I would suggest a Liminar X7 channel with a stabilizer, or an AR631 Spectrum receiver, whichever one. Both would work really great for this, only because she's so light, and on a windy day, the wind's going to have its way with this plane. Interesting little fact about the Banshee here, of their 64 millimeters, I think this is the first one where the white bare foam is actually painted white and not just white foam, which is a nice touch. Makes a much nicer looking plane. CG is marked right here. I've already got the battery out, but I put the battery as far back, and CG is just perfect right there underneath the wing. You'll see it actually got the CG marks on it. The trailing link, it comes with a chicken wire suspension, but you can pay like, I think, 22 bucks total to get these three, and they just two grub screws on the other side bolt right to the existing frame pegs. So that's an easy swap out. Go ahead and buy it when you buy the plane. I'll put a link to the purchase of this plane, which is an affiliate link, and you'll help me out. If you're a new customer, if you're an old customer, you're just letting them know that you bought through my link. I don't get anything for that, but if you're a new customer, I will get a commission. Just letting you know. It doesn't cost you anymore, but you're supporting me. Anyways, that's the Banshee. I highly recommend her for a beginner jet. If you get a gyroed receiver, because she is so small and light, but she's inexpensive. I want to say she's around under 200 bucks, or around that. 4S plane, 2,700 up to a 3,300 4S. So fairly economical on the battery. She goes together very easily, and just a good flying plane, good looking plane too. Easy to see with this green and white. All right, folks, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and God bless y'all. Bye-bye.